a little bit weird and a little bit kind of like a workaholic, but if I don't work for a certain period of time, I just get like really moody.
How do you balance, your personal life and your work life? I know you travel quite a bit. Is that the main form of it?
Yeah, so I thought about this. I thought about this a little bit not too long ago with my girlfriend. Actually, It took me a long time to kind of realize that I can't. I just can't balance it. Um, Again, for some reason, I just can't sort of live without working. And I know that sounds really sort of a little like a workaholic, but if I don't work for a certain period of time, I just get really moody. If I can't check my emails or something, for example, if the Wi-Fi is down and I'm not sort of on the pulse, I just don't feel right. I don't know why, I just don't feel right. It's the weirdest thing, but I also feel like the luckiest person in the world, because I literally get to do what I love every single day. Again, as cliche as it sounds, but this sort of inspired me to start the Brander brand. So Brander is essentially a platform, a learning platform for anybody. So it's essentially making really complex branding theory and branding practices incredibly accessible to allow anyone to create a brand. And about 95% of businesses, I'd probably say, out there in the world, there's probably, there are over 50 million businesses in the world, and I'd probably say only 5% of them are actually a brand. Now, the rest of them are just businesses, and they're not actually connecting with their customers properly. Now, a small company, and I've proven this as well, by actually using these exact same practices of finding the niche, communicating correctly to the limbic system as opposed to just the neocortex and all that sort of carry on. Now, by doing that, a small business who's just starting out can learn these really simple practices, which literally, our average video time on YouTube, it's about 4 or 5 minutes. And it's literally teaching you how to find an effective niche, really simply. Within 4 or 5 minutes, you found one, how to create an effective brand name, how to do all these things. And I just wish, I posted something on Facebook, when I was up at 3 o'clock in the morning, just like a little bit of an idiot trying to meet a deadline. I want to live in a world where more people are doing what they love, as opposed to literally dreading Monday morning. It just doesn't feel right. Even my girlfriend, when she gets excited for Friday, I can't resonate with that, because all I want, sometimes I don't even know what day it is. Literally, I don't even know what day it is sometimes. And I know that sounds really bizarre, but yeah, that's literally how I've learned to sort of deal with it. Just be full on, non-stop, no balance whatsoever. So I hope that answered your question.